Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to Claude using no code and for free. That way you can use Claude to look at your Instagram analytics, to look through your posts, even your DMs, all automatically. This setup takes just a few minutes. What we're using today is a platform called Composio. Basically, Composio has access to like thousands of apps. They have a free Instagram connector that you can use. We just need to paste one link from Composio's dashboard into Claude. So the first step is to get started for free. You can see I'm already logged in here, and make sure you're on the For You section. Then scroll down until you see the MCP section on the right and copy the URL here. Then open Claude, go to the left sidebar, click Customize, Connectors. Then we're going to add a custom connector. So add connector, add custom connector. We're going to call this Composio. And that URL that we copied, we're going to put it in the remote MCP server URL. Then click Add. You might need to press one more button to connect, and it's going to ask you to sign into Composio. Give it a moment, and then you'll get this screen here that says that you are connected. All right, so let's go back into Claude, and I'm going to use cowork here. And let's say pull my last 5 Instagram posts and tell me which ones got the most likes and saves. So we're going to hit enter there. And then it looks like it automatically asks me to connect to Composio, which is exactly what we want to do here. So what Claude is giving me is a URL where I can connect to Instagram. So I'm going to click here where it says connect Instagram, open link, and Composio automatically opened up this Instagram page. And all I have to do is hit allow. And now we get a message that Composio has successfully connected to Instagram. Now keep in mind here that this will only work if you have a professional account. So if you don't have a professional account, you should be prompted to switch to a professional account directly in Instagram when you try to connect. Let's go back. And now Claude says that we are connected to Instagram, and it's now pulling our last 5 posts. And just like that, it pulled up the posts when I posted them and all the analytics I need for them. Okay, it looks like my last post did pretty well. Maybe I want to draft up some replies for those posts. So let's do check the comment on my latest post and draft friendly replies to the top 3 comments. Okay, and it just pulled up all these comments here, and then the drafts are here in gray, and then I can automatically post these. So all I would have to type here is yes, post the comment, and they would show up right on Instagram. So that's how you connect Claude to Instagram using no code and for free. So I hope this was helpful, and go ahead and try it out.